Well, good morning. It is Tuesday morning at about 4:35 in the a.m. And on Tuesday morning, December 3rd, 2024. Wait. Boss brought me dinner. Some, I think it's goat curry and rice. Oh, it was good. Very, very, very good. I definitely enjoyed it. Wish there had been more, but probably a good thing there wasn't. Yeah, no, it was nice and hot, and my sinuses were running. Hey, that's a good thing. Hey, well, let's see. Got things shipping in. Apparently, I missed an email for my Butcher Box is a company that does grass-fed beef that ships it to you. Anyway, I missed an email that they sent saying, "Hey, we're about to charge for your next box." Been trying to not get a new box. I have enough left over from the previous one. I'm not trying to eat it up fast, but I don't need to add any more meat, and I just added a bunch more meat. It's good meat, though. So, yay there. Just caught me off guard. I wasn't prepared for it. So, that shows up, I think, today. Yeah. I think I've got something showing up every day this week. Yeah. But it is what it is, and as things show up, yay. I've been surfing and trying to find, videos on the how to set up a Mac Mini, this new one. What are the settings and why do you want them that way? There's a lot of that out there, but it seems a lot of it is very superficial. Oh, do this, this, and this, and they don't really show you anything. They just tell you, do this, this, and this, like you've been doing stuff for 20 years, and oh yeah, if you've been doing it for 20 years, why do you need somebody to tell you how to do it? Yeah, I haven't. I need somebody to show me that stuff. Especially way more than just, yeah. I have no idea where all these things are in there. I don't even know what some good apps for, for the Macs are. Somebody said something about an operating system. What was it? Sierra? I don't even know. I didn't know that was an operating system. And Sequoia? Yeah. Hello. I don't know what these things are. Now I'm getting to dive off into stuff. It is what it is. Definitely a learning curve. And in the process, I've got to take and make sure I get rid of stuff. I've got a couple of bags of stuff that I pulled out, and I had a bunch of, my aquaponics setup had a water filter in it. And part of that filter was, charcoal granules, and some fibrous, pillow stuffing, basically. And I just found a bag of it that I forgot I even had. So, yay, I threw that out. Yeah, it is what it is, but I've got 2 bags of trash to go out the door when I get home in the morning. I wish I'd have got it home, but I was pulling everything out when I was dealing with getting this stuff bagged up. The dump truck came by, or the trash truck came by and took away what was already there. So I'll go out and put it in. I'll have plenty of room. I will definitely have plenty of room. But yes, trying to get things going. I actually have one complete drawer empty in my chest of drawers that is in my little radio reload computer room. Yeah. Yay, empty. Still got a lot more stuff to go, but it is what it is. And I'm having to, figure out where I'm going to put this thing when it gets here, and wanting to swap things around so I can get it set up in a good way and be able to use this new computer. And since it's going to be something I'm going to be spending a lot more time with, I'm going to have it at my desk in my computer room. Go with it being there and the prominent one. Move my other one over to my one bedroom. And I need to also get into the third bedroom, which is basically my giant aquaponics setup. Well, not giant, but big enough. I need to get a bunch of that stuff taken care of and get out. And somewhere this week I need to get over to Social Security. I think I'm going to go Thursday morning. Seems the best morning for it. Yeah, I get to try and get that going and be here for the various packages coming in. And I threw the battery for the lawnmower onto the charger. Well, one of them. I'll try to swap it out when I get home in the morning and let it catch up. Probably should have grabbed that as I went by on the way tonight, out the door tonight, but I don't really think that well until after I've had my cup of coffee. I'm more of a, well, I come straight here to work so that I can get coffee and not have to spend money on it. And so, yeah, just being honest, coffee is free here. If I make it at home, it costs me money. So coffee here is one of the bonuses of working here. Shh, don't tell my boss. I see that way. But yeah, until I've had a little bit of coffee, I'm not too sure I actually am functioning. Yet I drive all the way here while not functioning. At least not on a high level. It takes a while for the brain to spin up and start computing like it's supposed to. But hey, who doesn't have that issue? I don't know of too many people that wake up instantly and are just wide-eyed and bushy-tailed and everything's going. And if they are, I think there's something wrong with them. You're supposed to take a minute for your mind to wake up and start seeing the world. Yeah. I don't know. Anyway, this week's going to be fairly busy with various things coming in. And yeah, we've got a bunch of stuff that needs to go out, and I've actually managed to, I think I got, well, two bags done up yesterday, and I think I had two from the week before. The week between last weekend and this weekend. So, yeah, a little bit here, a little bit there, fill the bag as I go by. And actually, I was looking at a whole bunch of those dang wine bottles and beer bottles. Part of me just wants to chunk them. Part of me says those are worth the money. So I'm having a major tear on that idea. And then I need to have something to put them in if I'm going to move them and not just chunk them into the trash can. Yeah. Anyway, it is what it is. But yeah, my boss brought me some food by today, and I got to eat, and I'm actually quite content. Like I say, I wish there had been more, but there's enough. Well, like I said, got to get things going. I got a few more minutes before I got to start doing breakfast stuff. Going to try to make another run through the building because it's cold outside and I don't really want to be cold. I'm getting old and I feel this cold weather soaking into my body. Yeah. Anyway, I do have the various parts and things that I'm going to do with this, how I'm going to help set this computer up and get it ready to, operate for me. There's some instructive videos on how to set up a NAS and the external hard drive on it. Pretty much that's just attach it and it should work. At least that's what I'm understanding on the stand that goes underneath it with the hub in it. So we'll see when that gets here. It's on a slow boat from China. Of course, my Mac Mini is, like I said, they said they would deliver it somewhere between the 20th and the 10th. I'm wondering why it's so long, but hopefully they'll get it earlier than that. Because I did see a couple other places that are actually delivering sooner. But then I looked at it, and it's not the Mac Mini, it's the upgraded version. That's the Pro, and it still has some of it apparently. So it's only taking them a week to 10 days to get that one out. Yeah. Hey, spend more money, we'll ship faster. Isn't that what Prime's about? Spend more money and we'll ship it faster? Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, it's one of those weird things. I don't know about you, but it is what it is, and I see it like that, and some folks think I'm a little off that way. Anyway, I'm hoping you've had a good start to your week. I hope your work week is easy on you, but profitable. My paycheck should be in. Haven't checked it yet. Need to do that real quick. I got overtime last week, so yay. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. Later blessings, bye-bye. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.